in a small, magical village nestled between the whispering woods and the singing river, lived a black woman named Rosa. Rosa had a heart as big as the sun and a smile that brightened everyone's day. She was known for her enchanting stories and her knack for making the most delicious apple pies. Just across the river, in the bustling town of Brightburg, lived a white man named Jack. Jack was a curious soul with a love for adventure and a talent for playing the harmonica. Every evening, his music would drift across the river and mingle with the sounds of Rosa's laughter. One day, a fierce storm hit both the village and the town. The river swelled with rainwater, and the bridge that connected the two places was washed away. This left the villagers and townsfolk isolated, and both camps grew worried about their neighbors on the other side. Rosa decided to do something about it. She gathered her courage and set off toward the river, determined to find a way to reconnect the two communities. Jack, too, felt the urge to help and walked toward the riverbank from his side. As they approached the shore, Rosa and Jack saw each other from a distance but hesitated to speak. Suddenly, a large, fallen tree branch floated down the river towards them. With quick thinking, Rosa lassoed the branch using a rope she had brought. Jack secured his end of the branch with a rope, and together, they created a makeshift bridge. Carefully, they walked towards each other and met in the middle of the bridge. Rosa extended her hand. "I'm Rosa," she said warmly. Jack shook her hand and replied, "I'm Jack. Looks like we're a pretty good team." Over the next few days, Rosa and Jack worked tirelessly to build a stronger, sturdier bridge. They spent their evenings exchanging stories and singing songs by the riverbank, sensing that their friendship was something special. With their combined efforts, the bridge was rebuilt better than ever, and the two communities were reunited. Everyone celebrated, throwing a grand feast by the riverside. Rosa's apple pies were a hit, and Jack's harmonica tunes added to the joyous atmosphere. From that day forward, the village and town grew closer, and Rosa and Jack's friendship blossomed, becoming a symbol of unity and cooperation. And so, in the magical village between the whispering woods and the singing river, and the bustling town of Brightburg, the story of Rosa and Jack was told for generations, teaching everyone that no matter how different we may seem, together we can overcome any storm.